Pizza is a favorite food for children and adults alike all around the world. And with so many options for toppings and crusts, the possibilities are literally endless when it comes to this cheesy Italian dish. Whether you like thin crust or deep dish, pineapple or not, there is a pizza out there for everybody, and we've got you covered. Skip the delivery and make easy, budget-friendly pizzas with these recipes. All the links are in the description below, so check them out, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe inspiration. Check out recipe number 19, Eggs Benedict Breakfast Pizza. It's got all the flavors of a classic Eggs Benedict with hollandaise sauce, eggs, and ham on top of crescent roll dough. Add a light sprinkle of cheddar cheese and bake until that crust is nice and lightly browned. Another pizza that's perfect for breakfast or brunch is number 18, Dad's Breakfast Pizza. This recipe uses refrigerated biscuit dough for the crust and is topped with eggs, bacon, onions, bell peppers, and of course, cheese. Gather the whole family for this breakfast pizza that comes out of the oven browned, bubbly, and so tasty. Let's switch up breakfast from savory to sweet with recipe number 17, Zucchini Bread Breakfast Pizza. Bake a sweet zucchini bread crust and then spread on some yogurt and top with your favorite fruits. Let's move on to lunch with recipe 16, Mini Lunchbox Pizzas. These are perfect for kids, and the sauce even sneaks in some steamed broccoli for extra veggies. Make a patriotic pizza with number 15, Flag Pizza. It starts with an easy refrigerated pizza dough on a baking sheet. For the top corner, use slices of purple potatoes and mozzarella balls for the stars. And for the stripes, line up some pepperoni. This is the perfect pizza for the 4th of July. For a Halloween pizza, check out number 14, Mummy Pizza. It's the perfect dinner before trick-or-treating. Take slices of toasted French bread and spread on some tomato sauce. Then pull string cheese into thin strips and place across the toast for the mummy wrap. And for the eyes, use slices of pimento stuffed olives. How spooky! Check out another holiday pizza, number 13, Valentine Pizza. Shape homemade or store-bought pizza dough into a heart and top to your heart's content. This recipe has tomatoes, zucchini, pepperoni, and sliced olives for a perfectly romantic pizza. Use up holiday leftovers with recipe number 12, Thanksgiving Leftover Pizza. You can make this pizza many different ways according to what you have left over after your Thanksgiving feast. But this recipe uses gravy for the sauce and then mushrooms, mashed potatoes, and turkey for the toppings. You could use cranberry sauce or sweet potatoes too. No need for pizza dough for this next recipe, number 11, Pita Pizza. This grilled pizza uses pita bread for the crust and is topped with mushrooms and cheese. But you can opt for your favorite meats and vegetables to make this grilled pita pizza your own. Branch out from the traditional tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese with recipe number 10, Mexican Pizza. With classic Latin-inspired ingredients, you can make a zesty Mexican pizza right at home. Use corn tortillas, refried beans, taco-seasoned ground beef, and your favorite toppings. Try avocado, sour cream, and even salsa. Here's another fun flavor combination, number 9, Pear and Gorgonzola Cheese Pizza. This pizza makes a great appetizer, and the flavors of pear, walnuts, and gorgonzola create an unbeatable balance of savory and sweet. For another appetizer pizza idea, check out number 8, Garden Veggie Pizza Squares. Start with a crispy baked crust of crescent rolls and spread out a ranch mixed seasoned cream cheese. Top with carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and green onions, then served chilled for a tasty snack or party appetizer. Coming in at number 7 is Bacon Asparagus Pizza. This pizza is topped with crispy bacon, asparagus, tomatoes, goat cheese, and red pepper flakes for a little extra kick. These flavors work so well together. For some fall flavors, here's number 6, Butternut Squash Pizzas with Rosemary. These mini pizzas are topped with roasted butternut squash and onions that have been seasoned with fresh rosemary. Everyone can have their own little pizza, or you could make this with one big crust. Next up is number 5, Pizza on the Grill. Make a homemade garlic and basil pizza crust, then throw it on the grill. The high heat makes it puff up almost immediately, so flip your crust and spread on your favorite toppings. Close the grill to melt the cheese, and you've got a quick and delicious pizza from your backyard. Another method to making pizza is number 4, cheesy-crust skillet pizza. Would you believe this pizza crust is made of just one ingredient? Cheese. Just sprinkle a layer of mozzarella evenly into a hot skillet and cook until a crust forms. Add tomatoes, basil, and fresh mozzarella, and you'll know it's ready when your cheesy crust skillet is bubbly and the edges are browned and crispy. Still want to skip the crust? Check out number 3, pepperoni MEATZA. This recipe uses ground beef as a base for classic pizza toppings, so it's great for low-carb, paleo, or gluten-free diets. Now for a Chicago deep dish inspired recipe, number 2, double crust stuffed pizza. That's right, this pizza has 2 crusts, with cheese, sausage, pepperoni, bell peppers, and mushrooms stuffed in between. All this deliciousness is piled into a spring-form pan and baked until bubbly for the ultimate deep dish pizza. And finally, the number 1 homemade pizza recipe, Jan's Jalapeno Popper Pizza. It's a mashup of the appetizer classic jalapeno poppers on top of a pizza. Bacon, jalapenos, and a tasty, zesty cream cheese mixture are baked on a pizza crust for a specialty pizza you can't resist. The wide world of pizza possibilities is at your fingertips, and your new favorite pizza recipe is surely somewhere in this list. So drop a comment on which one you'll be making. Got any other favorite pizza toppings or tips? Comment below and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed these delicious recipes. Thanks for watching!